have an exciting group of plants right here. Now you may think, oh, these are just green plants, why are they exciting? Well, it really is, and I'm going to give you a little background so you'll understand what I'm talking about. So this is a new boxwood series called Better Boxwood. And what's great about it is these were bred over in Europe starting about 20 years ago when they first interacted with a disease which we commonly call now boxwood blight. And it actually killed out some of the hundreds and hundreds of year old boxwood plantings around palaces and gardens all over Europe. And this blight was devastating throughout Europe. And so when that happened, they started breeding blight-resistant boxwoods. And then the boxwood blight came to the U.S. about 10 years later, and it did the same thing, especially in the Northeast and some of our great mansions and gardens where they had over 100-year-old plantings of boxwood. They were decimated, some completely gone, completely dead. So this guy in Belgium, he was a great boxwood grower already. He worked with the university there. They created and went back from the very beginning of the boxwood species, bred, hybridized, and came up with these first 4 varieties of blight-resistant boxwood. Why 4 varieties? We have 4 different sizes. We have a really small size, 1 to 2 foot, great for your little knot gardens that people love to use boxwoods for, and it's called Renaissance. Then we have more of the traditional size, 3 to 4 foot boxwood hedge, and that one is called Heritage. And then we have another variety called Babylon Beauty. So it grows a little wider than tall. Great for mass plantings, great for low hedges as well. It gets to about 3 to 4 foot high, but about 4 to 6 foot wide. And also, if you can see with that one, it has a little bit lighter green foliage. This is hit on my left. And then we have boxwood, Better Boxwood Skylight. And Skylight is a very fast grower. It can be very upright. You can get it up to 8 foot for a large hedge, but it also works great for topiaries. You can make it into a ball, you can make it into a pyramid, many different uses for that one. And also it has a really dark green foliage, which is also very nice. So again, kind of fits all the things you need for your boxwood varieties. So be sure you look for Better Boxwood at your local retailer and landscaper. Planting these boxwoods will help deter the spread of boxwood blight because these are resistant.